Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to make carrot cake. This cake is so easy to make, no mixer, and it's very soft, very soft, very soft. If you are new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video, so that any day I post new video you will get the alert. For my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video. Let's start. For this carrot cake, we'll be needing orange. We'll be squeezing out the juice. We also need the bark. It can serve as preservative and also gives flavor to your cake. We also need vegetable oil. This 200 ml vegetable oil. You need 4 eggs. We also need baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon. You also need baking soda, 1 teaspoon. These are our chief ingredients. Carrot, we're going to grate it. 200 grams of sugar. You can add 150 if you want to reduce the sugar. You don't want much. A pinch of salt to taste. And you add a little cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Here is our flour, 200 grams of flour, and that is all. You can line your pan with baking paper, or you grease it with butter and dust with your flour. You can sprinkle dried fruit on the top to garnish it, and you bake for at least 35 to 40 minutes. From 30 minutes, start checking. Our cake is ready. Looking so beautiful. Just allow it to cool off. You remove it from the pan. If today is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new videos. Our cake is ready. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment. Feel free to ask questions. So yummy. So yummy and soft. Wow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.